Hello students, today we are ending the chapter. Okay, the last exercise is the miscellaneous exercise. We all solved all the theorems. Okay, so many methods is completed in the previous lectures, right? So let's start the miscellaneous exercise of the chapter number 4, determinants, right? Okay, so now here the first question is to prove that the determinant of is given the independent of theta. What is the meaning of independent of theta? That means in the answer no in the form of theta functions, right? मतलब sin या cos में नहीं हो सकता other than other functions. Clear? Okay. So let's start to prove that the first okay the determinant is clear. So question number 1 here. So the determinant is x, okay, sin theta cos theta minus sin theta minus x 1 again cos theta 1 and x, right? Okay, so here first of that nothing to do, direct expand of the first row. So here x, okay, our first priority is minus x square, right, into minus 1, right? Okay, minus sin theta, you already know that. So hide the first row and second column. So minus x into sin theta, right? Okay, and minus cos theta, right? Okay, and plus cos theta into bracket again minus sin theta minus plus x cos theta. Clear? Now we expand this here. So minus x cube minus x, okay, minus plus x into sin square theta. Understand? Okay, minus plus, okay, sin theta into cos theta, right? Again here minus sin theta into cos theta plus, so plus x into cos square theta, right? So here sin theta cos theta is cancelled, right? So minus x cube again minus x plus here, and this x is common, so we have the sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? So sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, right? So we put here is equal to minus x cube, okay, minus x and into x, again x square is equal to minus x cube, okay, which is the result, which is okay independent of theta, right? कोई भी थीटा टर्म्स बचा नहीं है कि आपको उसकी वैल्यू देखनी पड़े, सोचनी पड़े, right? So the first term is clear, understand? Okay बच्चों, so now it's very simple, okay, also in the 1 marks 2 marks question. Now the first is clear. Now the second one, without expanding the determinants, prove that ABC a square b square c square bc ca and AB is equal to 1 a square b square c square a cube b cube c cube. एक से second ला है, right? Okay, let's start for this. We start the question number 2, right? Okay. Question 2, without expanding. So let we decide that our d या delta या determinant is given that a b c, again a square b square c square, then b c ca and ab. Oh, let what to do? Let me say, we prove this 1 a square b square c square a cube b cube c cube, right? Cube, we need cube, right? So first we multiply respectively r1 a, r2 b and r3 c. फर्स्ट रो को a से b, सेकंड को b से एंड थर्ड रो को c से आप मल्टीप्लाई करो, सो दैट वी गॉट योर डेल्टा 1 upon a b c, right? So here a square, a cube, ABC, b square, b cube, ABC. Now again c square, c cube, ABC. Okay, so now common ABC. Okay, from C3. Okay, third form में से ABC को कॉमन निकाल दो. So here ABC common, right? So a square, b square, c square, a cube, b cube, c cube. 1, 1 and 1. Got it? Okay. Think about your result. This is our delta, right? And we need this. So delta is equal to, right? So delta is equal to ABC cut. You convert this. So first C3 interchange C1, right? C3 interchange C1. So you got the negative here C3, 1 and 2. Yeah, 1 okay. C to C3. We change the C to C3, right? Okay. So a square, b square, c square, right? A square, b square, c square, right? Okay. So 1, 1, 1. Okay. A cube, b cube, and c cube. Again interchange. 1, 2, right? So delta is equal to, again minus, so minus minus plus, 1, 1, 1, a square, b square, c square. Okay, a cube, b cube, and c cube. Understand this? Right finger. So minus minus plus. So prove that. What is d? Let me d that. What the determinant? A, b, c, a square, b square, c square, then a b. Okay, CA, okay, and AB, right, is equal to 1, 1, 1. So a square, b square, c square, okay, a cube, b cube, and c cube. Understand this? Right? Right. So the result is clear. You understand this? Now, again, second is clear. Okay, second is clear. So let's solve the third one. Evaluate this value. Okay, only evaluate. Okay, so we get the result. So let's see that. So only evaluate. So question number 3. Result 3. Evaluate this. So question 3. Now cos alpha into cos beta minus sin beta and sin alpha into cos beta. So cos alpha into sin beta, cos beta, okay, and sin alpha into sin beta, then after minus sin alpha, okay, 0 and cos alpha, right? So let's start. First simplify this. Okay, to expand of the first row. So we know that cos alpha into cos beta, right? Okay, so into cross multiply, students. So cos alpha into cos beta into 0. So we can't written here. So no cos alpha into cos beta. Now the second elements of this. Okay. So again you hide this. Okay. So minus into bracket and 0. So minus cos alpha into sin beta. Right? Okay. And this one is minus sin alpha. Okay. Into bracket. This one is so minus sin alpha into sin square beta right? Sin alpha, okay, and minus sin alpha into cos square beta. So understand this one? Okay. Now again expand this. Okay. Now we near to our results. So split this. So cos square alpha into cos square beta. Okay. Minus. This one is clear. The second one. Okay. Minus minus plus. So again cos square alpha into sin beta into cos beta. Okay. Again this one is okay. So minus minus plus sin square alpha into sin square beta minus again minus minus plus sin square alpha into cos square beta. Understand? Right? What to do? Again check this. Okay. This one cos alpha. Okay, that means sin beta. Right? Okay. So do expand for one sin alpha. So see here. First is clear. Cos alpha, cos square, and sin square beta. Okay. So here the sin square beta. Understand? Okay. Minus minus plus. Again, this one is a sin square, cos square, and cos square this. Okay. So first of that is very simple for two terms and these two terms. In first steps, cos square alpha is common. So remaining term cos square beta plus sin square beta. Understand? Okay. Plus sin square alpha is common. So remaining term is sin square beta plus cos square beta. Understand? Okay. So now here, so cos square alpha, this one is 1, cos square beta plus sin square beta, again sin square plus cos square beta 1. So cos square alpha, okay, plus sin square alpha, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 1. Right? This is our result. We got the answer 1. So clear? Clear, students? Any doubts of this? Yes or no? Okay. So let's start. The question number 4. Here the A, B, C are the real numbers and the D for our determinant. A is given is equal to 0. Then 0, then you either find out the A plus B plus 0 and A is equal to B is equal to C. Clear? Okay. So first see the sum of the question number 4. Okay. Question number 4. Here B plus C, C plus A and A plus B. Right? C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B and B plus C. Again A plus B, okay, B plus C and C plus A. Right? Okay, equal to 0 when the delta is 0. Understand? Now first step is our so simple because I think R1 in the operation in R1, which operation R1 plus R2 plus R3 I think. Okay, so we add this. Yeah, okay. So the simple for this, okay, 2 times of this, 2 times A plus B plus C into 2 times A plus B plus C, okay, plus 2 times A plus B plus C. Understand? And other is as it is, okay. So C plus A, now A plus B, again A plus B, okay, B plus C, then B plus C, okay, C plus A. Understand? Now common, so simple. So common 2 times a plus b plus c from R1, right? From R1. So the from R1, that means you common that 2a plus b plus c. So you have the 1 c plus a plus b, again 1 a plus b plus c, again 1 b plus c and c plus a, right? Clear? Okay. So now here the first steps clear, second step clear, right? Now a plus b plus c. So you need the only simplification. Just try. Okay. So simple, minus कर दो. Got it? Okay. So now the operation is very simple. Here the 2 into a plus b plus c. Okay. So here put R1 minus R2 in R1. So operation in R1 and R2. Okay, R2 to C1, not R1 but C1. We use the column C1. Right? So here C1 minus C2 in C2. C2 minus C3, right? Column wise. So 1 minus 1, that means 0. Okay. So C minus A minus B. So C minus B. Again, to expand this, A plus B, B minus C. So again B cut, then A minus C. Understand? Okay. Again 0. Again 0. A B cancel. So A minus C. Again, and that means B plus C. So cut this B minus A. Right? Okay. And 1 B plus C. Okay. And C plus A. Right? Okay. So no problem. The 2 clear. Again 2 into A plus, we expand this. A plus B plus C. Right? Bracket close. Into only 1 0. So 1 into cross multiply C minus B into B minus A. Minus. We hide this. C minus B, B minus A into A minus C whole square. We have only 1. Understand? Right? Only 1. Okay, so A plus B plus C and this one is C minus A and minus A plus B. So what we do? A minus B and suppose you expand this. So you have the only. So just you check this. So 2 into A plus B plus C into, okay, minus, so simple BC minus AC minus B square plus AB minus A square minus 2, okay, minus 2 minus 2 AC already, so plus and minus C square, right? Okay, so 2 as it is into A plus B plus C into bracket. Okay, into bracket we need all negative, so negative here, all positive, that means I think, okay, 2AC, that means minus, so plus AC plus AB plus BC. Okay, so minus common, that means then after. So okay, so A square plus B square plus C square 2AC and minus, okay, so plus AC. But you suppose minus, so minus AB minus BC and minus AC, right? Okay. How possible? Okay, so here put the minus. It's compulsory. Then after, it's very simple. Up the B is given that, right? Okay, so minus 2 into A plus B plus C. Understand? Okay. Now A plus B. So we simple 1 by 2. So I put the multiply by 2 here. Okay, multiply by 2. So these 2 are there. 2 here multiply. So 2 times A square. So A square minus 2AB and plus B square minus 2BC. Okay, plus C square and plus C square minus 2CA and plus A square. Understand this? Okay. Now it is very simple. 2 is here. So that means the A minus into A plus B plus C into bracket A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus c minus a whole square. So that means d is equal to 0 is given that, so a plus b plus c is equal to 0, or right, or we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 0, that means a minus b whole square comma b minus c whole square, c minus a whole square is equal to 0. Okay, so our first result is completed. Understand this? Okay, so just without this, so here the first result is clear, a plus b plus c is equal to 0, and or here a minus b is equal to 0, b minus c is equal to 0, and c minus a is equal to 0. You got the result, a is equal to b, okay, b is equal to c, and c is equal to a. So therefore you can return a is equal to b is equal to c. Understand? Clear? So this is your fourth sum is completed. Understand? Okay, now here we start the new questions of the 5, 6, 7 we completed. Okay, so copy that please. Okay, it's very simple. You know the result in for this. Okay, question number 5, 6 and 7. So let's start. We solve the more sum. So the question number 5. Solve the equation. That means we solve this equation, right? So the our matrix is equal to x plus a. Now x and x again. So x into x plus a, and x again x into x and x plus a is equal to 0. Okay, this is the MCQ questions, right? X and a does not equal to 0 is given that a not equal to 0. So here first of that, so we procedure in first row. Okay, which one? So r1 plus r2 and plus r3. So we get here x plus x plus x plus a, so 3x plus a. Okay, again 3x plus a and 3x plus a, right? So x as it is, x as it is, x plus a as it is, here x again x and x plus a as it is equal to 0, right? Okay, and then simple common. So the common 3x plus a, okay, from r1, right? So 3x plus a is common, okay, into bracket, okay, 1x, okay, again 1x plus a and x, again 1 into x and x plus a, right, is equal to 0. So what we do? Okay, so here the suppose for this, okay, so यहाँ पे slightly change up. So 3x plus a into the procedure is a c2 के अंदर कर दे c2 minus c1 and c2 यहाँ पे हमने 1 कर दिया and c3 into procedure c3 minus c2. Right, so 1x as it is, right? So 1 minus 1 0, here only a, again 0, that means 1 minus 1 0, okay, again 0 and x, so here only a. So clear, is equal to 0. Now you expand 3x plus a, right? So 3x plus a here. So now we expand this only 1, so a square is equal to 0, but a not equal to 0, a not equal to 0, so 3x plus a is equal to 0, so then x is equal to minus a by 3, right? So this is the solution of the given question, right? So question number 5 is clear. Understand? Right? Okay. Now 6th one, okay, prove that. आपको prove करना है. So you anyway you you take the row or column, doesn't matter. Okay, so let's start. So your result is clear. X is equal to minus a by 3. Now the question 6. Now the sixth one. Right, prove that. The first of that is square. A square plus AB. Okay, and AB. Then BC. Okay, BC. B square and B square plus BC. Right, okay. So AC plus C square. Now AC and C square. Right. Okay, it is very simple. With simple, that means here the common A from C1, okay, B from C2, okay, and C from C3. So here the A, B, C, we common that. A, B, C. Okay, and it which given that okay is equal to 4ABC, right? So what delta, that means the LHS. Now ABC common, so you put here A, only A plus B and B. Again C, B, okay, B plus C. Again A plus C, C common, that means only A and C. So clear? Now in C3, C3 minus C1 plus C2, right? So here A, B, C is a quick decision. Okay, so C1 plus C2, A plus C, that means I think 0. Here A cancel and minus 2B, right? Again this 2 and C cut, but minus 2B, right? Both are minus 2B. Here A cut and here B cut. So here 2C. Okay. Now, so in the C3, so add A into A plus B into B. Okay, C, B and B plus C. Okay. Now 2B is common. First of that, right? Minus 2B into A, B, C common. Understand? Okay, 2B is 2 is common only, not 2B, because 2C and 2B. So minus 2 is only common. So minus 2, right? So we have 2 or written. Okay, simple. 2B is cut, again CC cut. Yes, again 2B. Okay, so minus 2 is correct. So the A plus B and B, then C, B, B plus C, right? Okay, 0, 1 and 1, minus 2B is common. Okay, so now what we do? So we just fastly remove all the things, right? And get the result. Okay, so what we do here? Right, so firstly minus 2 A B squared C and expand this. So A into bracket A, okay, B minus C, फिर minus C into bracket minus C. So A plus B and minus B, right? Bracket close. Hide this. Okay, so minus B. So minus 2 A B squared C into bracket B cancel. So minus AC, minus, here BB cancel, so minus AC, so minus plus and 2 times, so 2 2s are 4, A square, B square, C square, right, is equal to RHS. So understand, it's very easy to solve this, right, the final exercise, miscellaneous exercise, right. Okay, now the last question, that is the 7th for today's lecture. Okay, A inverse is given that, matrix B is given that, you find out the AB inverse. Here you use the property, and then it is very easy to this, right? You know that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse, right? So always this kind of sum solved by these methods. So now here we need the B, okay? We need B inverse, sorry. So first find out the B inverse, invertebrate matrix of B. So first need determinant. So here the question number 7. Okay, determinant of B is given that. मतलब matrix B is given. So 1 minus 1, okay, and 0, 2, 3 and minus 2, okay, minus 2, 0 and 1. So the determinant of B, because inverse is must require this, okay. So the 3, okay, minus 2, height is minus 1, okay, and minus 2, height is 2 only, plus 2. So we got 3 plus 2 minus 4, we got what? Not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 here. So the B inverse is exists. B inverse is exists. Right? Now we need the cofactors. Okay. We need the cofactors. So cofactors, right. So first need C11. So cofactor of A11. So here positive C11 minus 1 is to 1 plus 1. You identify this. Okay. So what to do? Right. So hide this. 3 minus 2 0 1 is equal to 3. C12 is equal to minus. Okay, determine. Minus 1 is to 1 plus 2, that means 3. Okay, hide this. So minus 1 0. Okay, and 0 and 1. So minus 1 minus minus plus 1. C13, right? Again positive. So C13 minus 1 0, 3 and minus 2, right, student? So 2 2s are 1 1 and 0. So 1 2s are 2, minus minus plus and minus 0, that means 2. And C21, so minus, okay, 2 1, hide this. Okay, so 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, minus 2 and 1. So 2 minus minus plus 4, sorry, minus 4. So minus 2, but minus minus plus, so plus 2, right? Okay. Here, now C23, sorry, C22. So positive, C22, hide this. 1 and minus 2, sorry, 0 and 1. So 1 minus 0, so only 1. Again C23, so negative. Okay, so negative, that means 2 3, hide this. 2 and 3. Okay, 2 finish, 2 and 3. So 1 2 and 0 minus 2. So minus 2 and 0, so minus minus plus 2. C31, so C31, again positive. Okay, so 3 1, hide this. Okay, so 2 0 minus 2 and 3 0. Okay, minus minus plus 6, so here plus 6. Okay, C32, C32 again negative. Okay, so C32, hide this. 1 minus 1 and minus 2 0. So therefore 0 minus 2, but minus minus plus 2. Okay, again C33 positive. C33, hide this. 1 minus 1 2 3, 3 and minus minus plus 2, so 5. Clear? Okay, so here the adjoint of B is equal to, is directly written as the transpose of this. Okay, so we directly written here. So not transpose. Okay, so first of that, this column wise written is very simple. Row converting to column. So C 3 1 2. Okay, again 2 1 2. Then 6 2 5. We got the adjoint of B. Okay, so what is the B inverse? So 1 upon determinant of B into adjoint of B. It is your formula. So B inverse is equal to 3 1 2 2 1 2 6 2 5. Understand? Right? Clear, students? Okay, just check all the members. Okay, and then you have the no problem. 3 1 1 2 1 2 and 6 2 5. Right? So clear. And okay, and result, you need the A B inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. So B inverse is equal to 3 1 2 2 1 2. Okay, 6 2 5 into A inverse is already given that A inverse is equal to 3 minus 15 and 5, again 2, 3 minus 2. Okay, sorry, this is a mistake. Minus 1, 6 and minus 2. 1 minus 5 and 2. Okay, row and column. Let's start. 3, okay, 3 3s are 9 minus 13 and 3 3s are 9 minus 13 plus 13 here. Again, minus 3 plus 12 minus 12. Again, 3 1s are 3 minus 10 and plus 12. Okay, after 3 1s are 3, similarly minus 15 and plus 10. Minus 1 plus 6 and minus 4. Okay, 1 1s are 1 minus 5 plus 4. Right? Okay. Again, 2 3s are 6 minus 13 and plus 25. Okay, minus 2 plus 12 and minus 10. 5 2s are 10, but minus. Right? Okay. Again, 2 1s are 2 minus 10 plus 10. So you got this answer, that means 9. Here the 13, so minus 2. Here 25 and 31, so 1. Okay. Then after 12 got minus 3. Okay, 4, so plus 1. Here the plus 10, 0. Again the 12 and 10, 2, so 5. Here again 0. That means 2 and 12. So 10 got 2, I think. Okay, so A, B inverse. That means you got the answer and check this answer. So it is the finish the questions, right? Okay, thank you for watching my video, and we meet the next lectures and complete the exercise and complete the chapters. Okay, till then, and bye bye.